Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video we'll see how to test your HTML JavaScript code in live server. You can see in this video like whatever I'm doing it here, it is reflecting in a live server. Do you want to know how to do it in live server? Okay, so it's very straightforward. So now go to your extension, and in the extension you need to install search for live server. So start for live, so you can go here and search for live server. You can see this is the live server extension. I have already installed. You have to install it. Go and install it. So once you install it, then you go to your project folder. So now you can open a folder and create a file, HTML file. And now to run it in live server, so what you need to do, so you need to go to view, then go to command palette, then open it and click on this live. Click live, then live server is come. Click on this. See, it will be opening in the live server. So whatever you are changing here, it will be reflecting live server. See, it is within a fraction of second. No need to go and refresh it here, so it will be running it live server. Thanks for watching.